Once upon a time, an Asian chef decided to make a simple Malaysian dish. He put onions into the pan until they turned golden, added the chicken, and then the colorful bell peppers. As the aroma of spices rose, he smiled because he knew that sometimes a simple dish can be a delicious story. He picked up the 2 onions and carefully began to chop them. The knife blade danced softly on the cutting board, and the sharp scent of onions filled the air. His eyes watered a little, but he smiled because he knew these simple onions were the beginning of a tasty story. Onions are not just a simple ingredient. The moment they enter a dish, their aroma gently spreads through the air and the food comes to life, as if it starts breathing. The chef knew well that onions, with all their benefits, not only make food tastier, but can also be nourishing and beneficial for children, so he added them to the dish with confidence. After chopping the onions, he gently dropped a piece of butter into the pan. The butter slowly melted, spreading softly across the surface. Then he added the onions. They danced in the butter, becoming light and translucent, filling the kitchen with their aroma, as if the story of the dish was just beginning to come alive. As the onions gently sizzled in the butter, he picked up 2 bell peppers and carefully chopped them. Their red, green, and yellow colors gleamed like tiny jewels in his hands. The chef smiled, knowing that these small pieces were about to bring a fresh and lively flavor to his dish. Bell peppers are not just a simple ingredient. They make food more flavorful and also add beautiful colors to the dish. Because bell peppers contain a lot of water, they are rich in beneficial properties and minerals, which is why the chef confidently added them to make the food both tastier and healthier. After chopping the colorful bell peppers, the chef gently added them to the golden onions. The pan filled with sound and color. The onions and peppers sautéed together, and their aroma spread through the air. With every stir, it felt as if a new chapter was being added to the story of the dish, and the chef knew the final flavor was taking shape. Chicken was not just adding flavor to the dish, it was also its nourishing heart. The chef knew well that chicken breast is rich in high-quality protein that helps build and repair muscles, strengthens the body, and provides daily energy. With every cut, he thought about how these simple pieces of chicken could support children's growth, boost the immune system, and help create a healthy sense of fullness. That's why he chopped it with care and respect, knowing that a dish that is both delicious and nutritious is the best ending to a cooking story. Thank you for always following Sepi Food with attention and supporting us. Every like, every view, and every bit of support you give is a great encouragement for us, giving us the energy to share our delicious dishes and stories with even more love and care. Your support is the heart of this journey and inspires us to be better and more creative every day. After chopping the chicken, the chef gently added it to the pan. The chicken joined the golden onions and colorful peppers, cooking slowly over gentle heat. Their aroma filled the kitchen, and the soft sizzling sounded like music. The chef smiled, knowing that with each passing moment, the story of the dish was reaching its peak of flavor. The chef picked a few cloves of garlic and carefully chopped them, filling the entire kitchen with their aroma. The strong, delightful scent spread like a fragrant breeze, promising a fresh burst of flavor. The chef smiled, knowing that these small pieces held the real magic of the dish and would make its taste unforgettable. Garlic wasn't just for flavor. Its presence in a dish could be very beneficial and excellent. The chef knew that garlic not only enhances the taste, but also makes the chicken smell delightful and inviting. With each clove added, the meal became not only tastier but healthier and more aromatic. After adding the garlic, the chef placed the pan over the heat and began sautéing the ingredients. The garlic, chicken, and vegetables danced gently together, and with each stir, their aroma spread more through the kitchen. The strong, delightful scent of garlic combined with the smell of chicken and vegetables, creating an atmosphere full of warmth and anticipation. The chef smiled, knowing that with every moment, the flavors were blending and the story of the dish was reaching its peak. Now it was time to add salt and pepper, the final magical touch of flavor. The chef carefully sprinkled some salt over the ingredients, then added freshly ground pepper. Each grain of salt and pepper enhanced the aroma and taste, giving new life to the chicken and vegetables. The chef smiled, feeling that the story of the dish had reached its peak of flavor and was ready to be served. The chef decided to add pomegranate paste to give the dish a unique and distinctive flavor. He took a spoonful and gently stirred it into the pan. Its deep red color brought new life to the ingredients, and its aroma, a mix of mild sweetness and tang, filled the air. The chef smiled, feeling that now the dish was not only delicious but also unique, and its story had gained a fresh color and scent. The chef picked a few basil leaves and carefully chopped them to add a fresh, distinctive flavor to the dish. The chopped basil released its herbal, delightful aroma into the ingredients, and with every stir, its scent spread through the kitchen. The chef smiled, knowing that this simple touch gave the special dish more character and charm, completing its story. He added the basil to the ingredients and sautéed them gently over low heat, letting its aroma blend with the chicken, onions, peppers, and pomegranate paste. The chef watched with a smile, knowing that this fragrant and flavorful combination had completed the story of the special dish, ready for its final touch, not for serving yet. Now it was time to wrap the prepared ingredients in phyllo dough. The chef did this carefully and patiently, opening each piece of dough and placing a portion of the fragrant filling inside. Then, by brushing a little egg on the edges, he sealed the pastry pockets tightly. He smiled, knowing that each small pocket was a combination of flavor and love, ready to bring joy to the table. did this carefully and gently, placing a slice of Gouda cheese on top of the filling in each pocket to give the dish an extraordinary flavor. The cheese gradually melted with the heat of the dough, and its delightful taste made every bite even more delicious and enjoyable. The chef smiled, knowing that this small addition had added the final touch of magic to the special dish. Now it was time to fry these little pockets. The chef heated the pan and carefully placed each pocket in the oil until their surfaces turned golden and crispy. The sizzling sound and the delightful aroma of cheese and spices filled the kitchen. The chef smiled, knowing that this was the moment a truly extraordinary flavor was coming to life. Now, the chef's dish was ready to be served. He looked at the golden, flavorful pockets and smiled, deciding to name this special dish Spring Roll. Each bite of these rolls was a combination of flavor, aroma, and his effort, ready to bring its delicious story to the table. I hope you also try making this delicious Malaysian dish and enjoy its delightful flavor and aroma. Each bite is full of taste, color, and a story crafted with love by the chef. We sincerely thank you for following us. We love you and are delighted to share this journey of flavors and delicious experiences together.